Ayan, so login tayo sa MetaMask natin. Actual na to guys, yung real time na. Sunday na kasi ngayon, October 12, 11:15 p.m. Ayan, so login lang tayo. Okay. So makikita nyo dito, pag nag-login, di ba na-install nyo na yung MetaMask Perpetuals. So okay na sa update. Makikita nyo dito, meron tayong option for token, DeFi, NFTs. Tatlo lang yan noon, pero after nung update, makikita nyo dito may perps option na. Okay, or perpetual. MetaMask Perpetual. Predict price moves with up to 40x leverage. So try lang natin i-click yung start trading. Okay, and may option dito to add funds. So makikita natin dito yung mga cryptocurrencies na supported ng MetaMask Perpetual. So obviously yung mga magagandang crypto naman yung nandito, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Hype. Guys, itong MetaMask Perpetuals, based sa research natin, nakipag-collaborate or partner yung MetaMask with Hype or Hyperliquid. Pag-usapan natin yan on a separate video. And ang maganda dito, meron pang Zcash, XPL, alam ko Plasma yan, XRP, BNB, Aster, Doge. So marami rin. Pump.fun nandito rin eh, no? Azora, ayan. So for example, i-search natin yung meron akong halimbawa ito, WLFI. Nandito kaya siya? So wala. Hindi lahat nandito. Okay. So limited lang din yung available na na crypto. Pagka nag-add funds tayo, ayan. So okay. So kung hindi readily available yung crypto na gusto nyong i-trade, depende sa hold sa inyong MetaMask. Kapag ka nag-click kayo ng add funds, for example ito, ang mangyayari, parang magiging collateral mo yung ibang crypto. So halimbawa, 5 na OpenXI crypto, halimbawa papalitan mo siya. Ayan. Pag i-continue natin, so meron din siyang $1 yung transaction fee. Okay. Ayan guys, so ito helpful information na to. For now, mag-hold off muna ako dito. At least gusto ko siyang i-click para malaman kung ano yung may encounter natin. So dito guys, una pa lang medyo kailangan mo nang i-consider to. Kasi $1 agad siya, parang more than 50 pesos ang para lang makapag-open ka ng perpetual trade, 50 pesos agad. So unang-una pa lang, hindi ka pa nananalo dun sa perpetual trading, may charge na kagad. So ito yung exact date and time kung kailan natin in-update yung MetaMask natin. Ito yung nakikita ninyo ngayon sa screen, yung sa middle part, perpetuals or yung perps are here. Okay? Update your mobile app to trade. Pwede kang mag-long, pwede kang mag-short. So pag-click natin nung banner about MetaMask Perpetual, ito yung dito tayo i-redirect nung page. Okay? So makikita natin dito yung mga frequently asked questions, and may option tayo to update our MetaMask. Ayan, so makikita nyo dito, pumunta tayo sa settings, option ng ating MetaMask, and yung current version ng MetaMask natin dito, habang hindi pa updated sa MetaMask Perpetual, MetaMask version 7.55.1. Okay, meron siyang 2549 na naka-parenthesis. So ito yung current version bago natin i-upgrade sa MetaMask Perpetual. Okay, so babalik tayo dyan sa homepage. I-click natin yung Perpetual banner, and then finally, i-click natin yung mobile app to install yung update ng MetaMask through Google Play Store. Ayan. So existing na yung MetaMask sa phone natin, kaya i-update lang siya. Hintayin lang natin to. Ayan. So kapag natapos na yung update, open lang natin yung MetaMask. Kailangan lang natin mag-login uli. Okay. And then, the moment na i-update natin yung MetaMask natin, pag login natin with our password, automatically, magpa-pop up yung MetaMask perpetual setup. Okay, so perps are here, long or short, with up to 40x leverage. Okay, fund your account with one click. So, i-click lang natin dito yung get started, connecting to perps. What are perps? Go long or short on a token. So, continue. Choose your leverage. Ayan, up to 40x yung maximum. And watch out for liquidation. Ayan. Wait lang. May nakalagay ito guys, careful tayo dito not a financial advice. Ina-explain ko lang or binibigyan ko lang kayo ng walkthrough or tutorial kung paano i-set up yung update ng MetaMask perpetuals. Pero makikita natin dito meron na talagang warning to watch out on liquidation, okay? You will lose the entire margin if the token hits your liquidation price, okay? Higher leverage means less room uh, to liquidation. Ayan. So, parang ano to nagsiserve as stop loss when it comes to perpetuals. Okay, so i-continue lang natin ito. Okay, and then close anytime, exit whenever you want. Okay. So naka-factor na doon yung profits minus yung mga losses if any. Okay, so if you're ready to trade, pwede kang mag-add ng funds, and then or pwede mo lang i-acknowledge by clicking on got it. And so makikita natin dito active yung ating usage or activity session sa MetaMask. Kasi naghihintay rin tayo or nagbabaka sakali rin tayo na pala rin tayo sa MetaMask airdrop, okay? So itong MetaMask na gamit ko guys simula 2020 pa to. And whenever may chance, aside from my other wallets, naglalagay din ako dito ng extra money on the side, and pinang-spot trading lang natin. Ano lang to, swap lang ang ginagawa natin dito. Okay? Hold and swap. Ayan. Okay, and then lastly, yung ginawa ko dito, nire-check natin or nire-visit natin yung about MetaMask to check yung current version after natin install yung MetaMask perpetual or yung MetaMask perps update. Makikita natin nag-upgrade yung ating MetaMask version 2, MetaMask version 7.56.4, open and close parentheses 2 668. Ayan. So, pagkatapos nyo ma-install yung update, yan yung dapat na maging new version ng MetaMask. So, disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.